Let's go down our ivory towers.
Oo.
You can't elect someone if you're just very purist. You need,
Yeah.
parang, sinubukan na natin yan eh. 2022, di ba? Radical
Oo.
Magmahal and all. Ano nang napala natin? Well, we got the
Yeah.
15 million, but did we win? No.
Oo. Tsaka in addition to that, yung nangyari, yung ano din kasi is, okay, wag maging epal, ganyan, ganyan.
Oh.
Pero, let's be honest, after we elect people, we want them to, we want to see that they're doing something. And how will we know that? Ano, tatahitahimik na lang sa 6 years na yun?